I just sent out an email to my customers who are interested in brownies. I want to let them know about a cooking demonstration I'm doing soon. Now I need to go get supplies from the store. I'm gonna need to shovel my car out of all this snow. This is great! Now I can see campaign activity in the reports on the mobile app. I can tap a specific campaign and see the performance. And if I tap on a specific metric like opens, I can see a running list of all the contacts that opened this campaign. I need to go shovel my car out of the snow so I can get to the store. I'm glad so many of my customers are interested in my cooking demonstration. Time to go to the store.